suggested images, handshake, smiling faces, waving hello. Hola Gibbs, ¿cómo estás? Gibbs, how being fine. Gracias, Gibbs, thank you. ¿Y tú, Gibbs, and you? Me llamo. Gibbs, my name is. Soy. CM, mucho gusto, Gibbs, you. Encantado, a Gibbs, pleased to meet you. Grammar focus, verbs ser to be. Present tense, yo soy, Gibbs, I am. To heirs, Gibbs, you are. Ella is, Gibbs, he. She is example. Yo soy Ana. Y Ana. Tú eres mi amigo, Fred. For practice activities, fill in the blanks with translation in parentheses. 1. Hola, ¿estás? O are you? 2. Yo, Carlos. Y am Carlos. 3. Mucho. Nice to meet you. B. Translate to Spanish: 1. My name is Maria. To hello, how are you? 3. I am fine, thank you. C. Conversation practice pair or self-talk. Introduce yourself to someone imaginary. Use hola, me llamo, and soy. If you enjoy this video day 1 part key vocabulary, learn Spanish step by step, click the link in the description and leave your like please. Get the full ebook on Amazon. Follow for day 2 tomorrow. So thanking so much for watching and give me a like for this video.